Hey everyone, this is Mukesh otwani once again from learn-innovation.com. Guys, in this video, I will be talking about how you can set up the email configuration in Jenkins once again. Okay, now why I'm making this video again? I made the same video in April 2021 that how to configure email notification in Jenkins, and it was working fine. But recently there's a change by Google, and if you notice, there's an important notice here: less secure app and a Google account. To keep your account secure, from 30th May 2022, Google no longer supports the third-party app or devices which may ask you your username and the password. So in this video that we discussed earlier, I use username and password. So now if you use the username password after 30th May, it's not working. So this video will be very quick, and I will show you the workaround how you can set up your Gmail account to send notification from your Jenkins. Now if you're not using Gmail, then it's okay, you can still continue. But if you are practicing, if you are learning Jenkins, and if this Gmail part is not working, just stay for a minute and I will tell you the fix how you can do this. So first of all, you have to log in with the account. Okay, so I'm using my one of the account, which is Selenium 3 by Mukesh. I logged in to my Gmail account. After that, you just need to navigate to myaccount.google.com. okay, and you will be redirected directly to this page. Okay, myaccount.google.com, and the moment you come to this URL, it might ask your password once again. So you just provide the password and you will be landed on this page. Now very small thing you have to do, just come to the security page. You can see this, right? Click on security, and you have to perform now two steps. First thing, the moment you come down, you will see one option called signing into Google. Here two-step verification should be on. Okay, so make sure you start this, otherwise again the solution will not work. The moment you click on two-step verification, again it will ask you your Google device, or sorry, the device from where you logged in. Just enable this, and once this is enabled, now this is the main part called app password. Now instead of using your normal login password, you will be using app password. Right now I don't have any app password, so it is showing none. So let's create an app password, and we will use the same in our Jenkins. Okay, so let's click on this none. So it will redirect me to a page. I guess it will again ask me the password, so let me quickly enter the password. Yes, it did log in. Now you will be getting this page called app password, and right now it says you don't have any app password. So let me create one app password, and this app password I will use in Jenkins email configuration. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do, you have to click on select app, and you just need to click on mail. So we are going to send email right from our Jenkins, so I will be selecting mail. When it comes to device, now it will ask you which device you want to use. I'm using now Windows 10, so I will be selecting Windows computer. But if you're using Mac, iPhone, iPad, you can go ahead with that. I will select Windows computer, and I will click on generate. You can see it generated one app password for me. So I will be using this app password while sending email. Okay, I will delete this obviously after making this video, so make sure you create your own app password, your own email account. Okay, and again a small disclaimer, since we are trying to send email from Jenkins, I would recommend create a separate Gmail account, not your personal Gmail account. Okay, so I will copy this, Control C, click on done, and we are good to go. So this is my Jenkins already up and running. So guys, if you don't have Jenkins, I have a dedicated playlist which has more than 20 plus videos on Jenkins, and everything we have discussed in detail: how to set up Jenkins, how to set up plugins, configuration tools, everything. So this video is continuous to the previous series, and before jumping into this video, I would highly recommend to follow this process. Okay, the title is configure email notification in Jenkins, and I will give all the links in the description. Now once you're done, I will go to manage Jenkins, and let's wait. Right now Jenkins is running on my local system. It's quite slow. In your case it will be faster, don't worry. And yeah, let's wait. Once it will download, we'll go to configuration, just replace the password with app password, and then we'll try using one test configuration. If you are getting a success email, it means everything is working fine. Okay, and right now you can see the new version available while recording this video. So if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade, otherwise you can continue. So come to this option which is called configure system. Just click on this option, and it will open the system configuration. So we have done a couple of configuration in the past. So in this video we are only going to change the email configuration part. Okay, so now the configuration part is open. Now scroll down till the last, and yeah, see, you will be getting two sections. One is extended email notification. So we'll change this part, but first thing, actually I need to just check the configuration part. So I will come to this section called email notification. Here everything will remain same. So as you can see, it is smtp.gmail.com since I'm using Gmail. Default user suffix will be @gmail.com. Click on advanced, and right now I'm using my username and password. So instead of using old password, I will click on change password, and I will remove this guy, and yeah, it's already gone. So I already copied, so I will paste here. Nothing else. Rest everything will remain same. So port number is 465, and this is the main part. After creating that password, just send one test email. So I will send one test email to my another email ID just to check everything is working as expected not. Okay, so I will just click on, okay, I will enter my email and click on test configuration. Okay, it's taking some time. If everything is correct, I will get a confirmation that email sent successfully, and I will be getting one test email to this email ID. Yes, email was sent successfully. Now this is only for email notification, but we are also using one more plugin called extended email notification, right, where we are able to change the subject, we are able to change the content, we are able to change the trigger as well. So this is one part. One more change you have to do. Come again to this section called extended email notification. Same configuration, smtp.gmail.com, port number is 465. Now click on advanced. Now you can see it is already having few additional credentials. So today I created new credential, right? So I will click on add, click on Jenkins, and now instead of selecting anything else, just select the username and password. Now username is my email address. So this is selenium3 by Mukesh @gmail.com. I created this email long back when Selenium 3 got launched, so I'm using the same email now. And again for password, I will use the same password. And description, I will tell you it's important. So I will give this description, let's say YouTube tutorials, and let me click on add. Now since I have given the description, so it will be easy for me to select from the drop down. See, I have given multiple descriptions, right? So this is the one that we created now. So if you don't give the description, again you will get confused, right, which one you have to select, because I'm using the same one for the different purpose. So this time I created YouTube tutorials. That's all. Rest everything will remain same. Your default recipients you can change, subject you can change, everything you can change. And once you're done, just click on save and we're good to go. Now if you create us any job, you can start sending email and it will work as expected. So let's save this configuration and let me create a sample job, and I will show you this email notification once again. So let me create a sample job. This is just for testing purpose, that whatever things we have done, it's actually working or not. So I will just click on sample job for email testing, and I will click on freestyle project. You can go with Maven project, pipeline, doesn't matter. And I will create a new project. Since now we are just working on the build, sample build. So once the page is loaded, I will click on build, and let me just execute one batch command. I will say java space -version, some random batch command I'm executing, and the main part is add post build action. Click on this and I will select editable email notification. The difference between two is if you just select the email notification, it will only send email if the build is getting failed. Okay, but here in the editable email notification, we can customize the trigger as well. So I will click on editable email notification, and come on, it should come. Yeah. So default recipients, again I will just provide my another official email, which is learn-innovation.com. Rest everything will remain same, default content, default subject, default content. And come to the advanced setting part, come down again, you will see the trigger. When do you want to send this email? As of now I have selected always, and I will just say send to the recipient list. In my case I have only provided one email, so it will send email to me. I will click on save. Once our project is ready, I will simply click on build now and we are good to go. Okay, perfect. Now let's click on build now. Build should start. Yes, it's running. I will click on this icon and it will directly give me the console output. Yes, it executed java space hyphen version, so it is giving me java version. Now the post build notification is getting triggered, so it says email triggered for always, and yes, it is sending email to my email ID and it's success. Yeah, so very easy. Only thing, you have to replace your normal password with app password. So again, let me repeat. Log into your Gmail account, navigate to myaccount.google.com, go to security, make sure two-step authentication is on, create an app password. While creating app password, you just need to provide two options that you are using. Okay, again it's asking for the password, so I have already shown you the steps, right? Select your service as mail and select your Windows or Mac what you're using. You will be getting app passcode that you have to use in the Jenkins. Yeah, so that's all about this video. So if you think this video helped you in any manner, then do support this channel, share with your friends, colleague. Let me know if you face any other issue in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.